from the southwest. Come southwest. Come southwest. What's this? Yeah, listen. We go around. Wait. Hold. Marlika, get ready.
There.
Okay, spread. DXSB walking out. Careful. Marlika, look at north side. Pop your potion. North side. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. North side now. Now spread on the east side. Spread on the east side. Careful backline. Left, north. Heal north. Now spread. Walk in southwest. No fear. Walk in southwest. JXXB low on the north side, JXXB low on the north side, okay? Heal up. Marlika, get ready. East side, okay? Look at JXXB, get ready. Hold. Look at southeast side. Give me a fake on the east side now. Spread. North side of me. Northeast side of me. By the wall. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. By the wall, boys. By the wall. Now spread. JXXB gonna counter. Spread. Careful. Spread. Get out of walls. Careful. JXXB looking. Def. Definitely. Good. Just hold, okay? Comes out. Spread. Look at the gate. Northwest. CC them. Okay? CC them. On the gate. Northwest. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Everyone on me. On me. Kill JXXB here. Now spread southeast side. You're gonna counter. Spread.
Heal me on the gate, please.
Heal up. Oh my god, boys. Spread. Def now. They missed their engage. Heal backline. Oh my god, boys. Come on, tanks. Hello, wake up. Rigger. Okay? Just hold. Come north side. Wait. Just hold. 5 seconds, we're gonna engage. Heal up. Spread. Somebody watch rookie. Nice. JXHB gonna look. Listen, we're gonna counter. Spread. Bumps out, careful. Heal up. Marlika, look at south side. Get ready. JXB looking. Def now. Marlika, counter inside. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Full counter inside now. Okay, now spread. Careful east side. Marlika, you're getting farmed by JXXB. Heal up. Okay, come back north side. Kite north. Yo, Juju, I'm kiting north, okay? Tank CC. They're gonna engage on the choke. JXXB looking. Healings now. Ready def. Def. Oh my god, defensives. Marlika, look at inside. Inside. Get ready. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inside now. Nice. The backline wipe. Okay, spread. Spread and survive. Careful. Heal up fast.
JXB looking.
Heal up on me. Spread on me. Heal up on me, healers. Heal on me. I'm dead. Everyone out. Battle mats out. What? Why? What do you mean? I'm the one getting bombed, man. Yo, Marlika, can you guys spread around? Why you guys getting bombed so big by the fucking bomb squads? Hello? Yo guys, how are we getting bombed on the back lane? I tell you to spread around and walk in and spread around. Why are you guys clumping together? The only thing, they clap, they're not brawling. The only thing you need to do is to fucking spread.
Papi Chulo, maraming salamat.
And listen, why 2 of my clump tanks already dead? Papi Chulo, Barcode, why you guys fucking dying? You guys die so early, hello? Papi Chulo. Right? Look at this, right? Look at this. Like, look at this, right? So many healers here. Yeah, look at you guys clumping. Where's defenses here? Where's demon here? No demon.
Help on ping. If you're in Fen.
Look at this, oh. You guys are just clumping here, oh. Together, oh. Then there's a bomb squad walking in here. Look at this. Why you guys just hovering around there? No defenses again. No defenses again, guys. Nobody's wide awake, man.
Someone restream, please.